Hey everyone, this is the official Cookers After Sales Service channel, and I will demonstrate how to install our product, the Kisses One, as a two-stair stuffed animal storage. Please aware that there's another two ways to use this product, which is three-tier storage and a wall-mounted bookshelf. This is exactly how it shows in the instruction. This is a plank A, and this is a plank B. This is screw S3, and we need two of them. And this is the plank C. For sure, we also need four of the screw. We need one of plank D and two of plank F. And now we need the plank of G and the plank of H with the two hole on the side. Of course, two of the screw. Now we are going to secure the assemble parts together. And there's four 2 meters ropes. We just make a tight here. Start from there. Use a large size screw. Attach the plank of L with the modular. We need two plank of K, four wheels, and a four screw of S1. Make sure that we need to make a two-way check. That is, there's no gap in here, and then we use a screw. And use a screwdriver, make it tight. And do same thing with another side, and you can get that. If you want it to look more elegant, please have the side facing inward. So we use the screw here and that one. grab what you got before with a new guy. So large, the long screw. Here I'm actually using the sample for 3-tier storage, but the principle is the same. And repeat the step before, get another exactly the same part. Also use the large size screw, 6 of them. Okay. The final step is to install the last 2 sides using two 2-meter elastic ropes. That might feel a little bit tight, but that's completely normal. Alright, thank you for watching. Just a quick reminder, this 2-tier installation method is for the collectors who don't have a lot of toys, and we can just use a 2-tier storage shelf. As the collection grows and the owner gets older, please check my channel or the comment section for the installation method of the 3-tier storage shelf. Wishing everyone have a good day.